Kasi most parents mo sa area na yan would rely more on what they get. Kung ano makapalaan nila. So if you could develop some livelihood, then okay lang. Comparative, livelihood.
Feeding siguro.
Feeding muna doon. For undernourished children. And then you have the medical, dental,
Yan ang maganda, medical, dental. Meron pa kami dating operation.
part of our activities lang muna for the church. Pero the church, the school will be kaninihan. Kaibigan. Kasi when you talk of school, pagkastaran yan. Because it's private school tayo. Pero we cater o kaya we offer very low tuition fee.
Even scholarship.
Scholarship.
Meron half or full or whatever. Yung metric na tawag tayo dun, yung student,
From 3 brothers,
Opo, yan.
children, of 3 children, you give 1/2 to the smallest child.
yung auntie ko, na may school dyan, they have 700 students.
Sa banda.
Yung Holy Spirit, Quezon, Christian Family Center. Sa may kanya, sa may 2nd Street. Sa may BF. Malapit sa BF. Tingnan mo, nandiyan dyan.
Wala pa yata yung sila nakaregister yata eh.
Hindi pa.
I have
Sige, tingnan mo. Holy Spirit, ha? Meron ka ba?